As the holiday season is around the corner, Jersey City ramping up testing. They now have 8 test sites throughout the city. Mayor Fulop says he's expanding testing because he's being realistic. Even though there are state guidelines in effect this year limiting holiday gatherings to 10 people or less, Fulop says regardless of those guidelines, people are going to do what they want. So he has one request for his residents.
But today is really a public request asking every single resident here to take advantage of those 8 locations. There's one in every single neighborhood in the city. Please come and get tested so that we can make sure that you and your family is safe.
The city currently seeing around 1,000 new cases a month, but city officials say residents are mostly compliant. Unlike in Hoboken, where police can issue a $1,000 ordinance for indoor gatherings, in Jersey City, they're using an educational model rather than enforcement. In fact, they prefer the police to not get involved.
We try to have our quality of life task force take those jobs first. They're our most experienced. They're dealing with potential COVID violations. They're our most versed in the guidelines and regulations and best practices. However, if they're not available and the police arrive, we would handle it first by trying to bring people into compliance. If they come into compliance and work with us to get into best practices, we work with them without going to an enforcement model.
And of course, you do not need an appointment to get tested. Just show up with your proof of residence. And as always, the test is free. Reporting in Jersey City, Emily Young, New Jersey News Network.